Namaste. Welcome to Chitrakuta Samskrita Learning Series. In the last class, we have learnt Ya Pratyaya and its application on Kriya Padani while converting sentences into Karmani Prayoga and Bhave Prayoga. At the same time, we have learned some changes occurring in Dhatavaha while applying Ya Pratyaya. Let us learn Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga and Bhave Prayoga in today's session. Kartari Prayoga means active voice. Karta is the doer. Active voice means Kartari Prayoga clearly says what subject does. It says who is taking action in the sentence. So, in Kartari Prayogaha, Karta, the doer, subject shall be in Prathama Vibhakti. Karmapada means object of the sentence will get Dvitiya Vibhakti and Kriyapada will be in Parasmaipadi form and it shall get same Purusha and Vachana of Karta. If Karta, doer is in singular form, Kriyapada will also be in singular form. If Karta is in plural, accordingly, Kriyapada will also be in plural form. Let us see few examples. Nripaha janan rakshati. Here, rakshanam is the action. Who is doing this action? Yes, Raja means Nripaha, the king. King is protecting the people. So the focus is on the Karta, doer, Nripaha. Nripaha janan rakshati. Balaha kandukam kridanti. Here, Balaha are Karta. Kartrapada is Balaha. It is in plural. Accordingly, kridanti. Playing is the verb. Kridanti is in plural form. Aham phalam khadami. Here aham is in Uttama Purusha. Accordingly, Kriyapada khadami is also in Uttama Purusha Ekavachana form. Tvam mantram japasi. Tvam is in Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Accordingly, Kriyapada japasi is also in Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana form. The object of the sentences Janan, Kandukam, Phalam, Mantram are in Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Karmani Prayogaha means passive voice. Here karma means object of the sentence. Karmani Prayogaha, in this Prayogaha, the focus is on the action. Action will be more important than the doer in this type of sentences. Karmapada will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Kartrapada shall be in Tritiya Vibhakti, and Kriyapada shall get Purusha and Vachana of Karmapada means object word. Kriyapada shall be in Atmanepadi format. As we have learnt in the previous episode, in this prayoga, dhatu means verb roots will get ya pratyaya along with atmanepada pratyayani. Let us do comparison of few dhatavaha in parasmaipadi, atmanepadi and karmani bhave prayoga formats. Parasmaipadi pathati, atmanepadi pathate, karmani or bhave it will be pathyate. Nam dhatuhu. Namati, namate, namyate. Creed dhatuhu, creedati in parasmaipadi. In atmanepadi it should be creedate, but in karmani prayoga and bhave prayoga it should be creedyate. Tarati in parasmaipada and atmanepadi it should be tarate. When it gets into karmani prayoga or bhave prayoga, taryate. Let us see few examples. Balakena pustakam pathyate. In all these sentences, prominence is given to object. Kim pathyate? Pustakam pathyate. Ataha, the book is read by a boy. Maya mantraha japyate. The mantra is chanted by me. Kavibhihi kavyani rachyante. The poetry is made by the poets. Guruna pathaha pathyate. The lesson is taught by a guru. In all these sentences, we can see prominence given to the object of the sentence. So, pustakam, mantraha, kavyani, pathaha, all these words are in Prathama Vibhakti. Related Kriyapadani, pathyate, japyate, rachyante, pathyate, all these are in Atmanepadi format along with your pratyaya. Karta of the sentences means doer. Balakena, Maya, Kavibhihi, Guruna are in Tritiya Vibhakti. Bhave Prayogaha. This is impersonal. Here it will not have object means karma pada in the sentence. Kartrapada shall be in Tritiya Vibhakti and Kriyapada shall be in Atmanepadi form along with Ya Pratyaya. And always it will be in singular form. Example, Balakena dhavyate, Shishuna rudyate, Pranibhihi जीव्यते, पुष्पेण vikasyate. With reference to all these rules, let us convert some sentences from Kartari Prayoga to Karmani Prayoga and Kartari Prayoga to Bhave Prayoga. The left column is meant for Kartari Prayoga and the right one is meant for Karmani Prayoga. Let me read the sentences. Aham devam namami. Maya devaha namyate. Balaha patham pathanti. In Karmani it will be Balaihi pathaha pathyate. Raja shatrum hanti. Rajnya shatruhu hanyate. Aham mantram japami. Maya mantraha japyate. Karmakarah karyam karishyati. Karmakarena karyam karishyate. Chhatrah prashnam pruchhati. Chhatrena prashnah pruchyate. Krishnah kamsam hatavan. Krishnena kamsah hatah. Aham patram likhitavan. Maya patram likhitam. Let us see few examples of Kartari Prayoga converted into Bhave Prayoga. Devaha asti. Devena bhuyate in Bhave Prayoga. Ashvaha dhavati. Ashvena dhavyate. Aham tishtami. Maya sthiyate. Vayam sthasyamaha. Asmabhihi sthasyate. Te upavishanti, teihi upavishyate. Bala hasatu, balaya hasyatam. अद्यतनकक्षाम् अत्र समापयामि. आगामिकक्षायां नूतनपाठमेकं पठिष्यामः. पुनर्मिलामः.